Are we finally revealing the secrets to front floating?
I think it's time to reveal the secrets to front floating.
Number one, our foundation is always relaxation. If you're even 10% tense, you are not going to be able to achieve a front float. Check out what happens when we are fully relaxed. Versus when we're trying to recreate and force an outcome. Notice in the first video how the water carries our body up to the surface. We can only achieve that if we are fully relaxed.
Like Meredith said, we all have a unique front float position that we're capable of achieving. So your front float might look like this. Or it might look like this. Or it might look like this. You know, the one that we all think we're supposed to be able to do. We want to hear from you. Leave a comment in the comment section with a 1 if yours look like the first float, a 2 if yours look like the second one, or a 3 if yours is the perfect front float. If we're having a hard time in a static front float getting our feet up to the surface of the water, watch what happens as soon as we start adding in relaxed forward propulsion. Check it out.
The truth is, we all have a different natural front float position. And this just depends on where we carry our fat and muscle in our body. So for our bodybuilders out there, it's going to be a lot more difficult to achieve a static front float with our legs on top of the water. So if you feel like you're fully relaxed, but your legs are still kind of sinking or your toes are on the bottom of the pool, that might just be your ideal front float. And we just need to then add some forward propulsion and you'll be on your way. Look guys, we are creating this content for you because we want to help people and even the world learn how to swim. This is a huge passion for us and we want to know what you want to know so that we can help educate the world on becoming more safe in the water. Leave a comment below. Please let us know what you're interested in learning next.
If you're looking for the full Learn to Swim experience, come to the Caribbean with me and my wife Meredith for a 6-day Learn How to Swim retreat in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We'll teach you how to swim without fear and 100% confidence guaranteed. Check it out.
Make sure to subscribe to our page, like our video, click the little bell. That way you get notified every single time we put out a new video that'll help you learn how to swim. See you guys at the next one.